Tonight I'm boarding a train that doesn't chase speed or comfort, cutting through the deep jungle, an overnight journey that still feels untouched by time, and I had to experience it myself. It always begins with an urge for an adventure, and I was really craving it, and I really needed this. It is one of the very last overnight sleeper trains still running in the country. This train still runs almost the same way it did decades ago. You can really feel the shift from modern Malaysia to historical Malaysia. The modern electric ETS line ends here and the old diesel jungle railway begins. I'm here at this small town called Gemas in Malaysia. I travel from KL about 2.5 hours in ETS, the modern KDM, and it's from here I'm gonna travel all the way to Kelantan with the jungle train. So my train is about at midnight. It's about 8:30 right now. I have lots of time to kill, and this town has a lot of history. Gemas is one of the most important railway junctions in Malaysia. It connects the east coast to the interior of Malaysia, and this is where the modern ETS lines ends and the jungle railway begins, which is a bit more slower, raw, and I'm gonna be in the train for 13 hours. It's not gonna be a fancy 5-star train. It's gonna be more natural, raw, and slow, and that's the kind of adventures that I want to have. So I'm really excited for this. I do have a lot of time to kill, so I'm just checking out this train that is just here. Back in the day, these kind of trains used to carry a lot of coal and a lot of different materials. It is here you can see the shift from new technology to old, and things feels a lot more slower in this town. Alright, I do have about 4 hours to kill, so I'm gonna find something to eat, and this is gonna be my last good meal before I can eat again for 13 hours. And look at that, guys, how convenient is that? KFC right there, and there's a Family Mart. So I'm gonna indulge myself in some raw fried chicken before we start our adventure. So it's about 12 a.m. and I am waiting on the platform, waiting for the train to arrive. There are quite a few people here. I'm really excited to see the train, and I'm also really tired, so I hope the bed is comfy. Somebody told me that it's gonna be cold, so which is why I'm wearing a hoodie. That's our train. This is my bed for the night. We do have a pillow, which looks kind of okay. We have a blankie right here, and we have a light. Pretty basic. I purposely got this bottom bed because the windows are pretty huge, and most of the bottom beds are sold out, so it was really hard for me to find one, but we have it now. So it's about 12:30. The train is going to depart soon from Gemas. It's going to be about 12 to 13 hour journey. So this train is going to go through some deep, dense jungle, and I'm not going to have a lot of reception, which is kind of what I want, and it's going to be a good adventure. So I'm really looking forward for the morning. And we are moving. Good morning. Wow, I had a good sleep. Surprisingly, the bed is comfortable, and I didn't expect to sleep that. We are deep in the Malaysian jungle, cutting through Malaysian forest on the way to Kelantan. This was a really unique experience as the train passes through mountains, rivers, valleys, no highways, no towns, no visible human development. Small villages are only accessible by train, river. It is definitely a unique experience. Alright, it's time to go for a little toilet adventure. So this is the toilet, but it is what it is. some breakfast. Sipping coffee while enjoying the beautiful nature. Wow. I must say this is definitely one of the most unique experiences I've ever had. I've never experienced something like this in my life, and especially in Malaysia. We're crossing a lot of rivers, lots of beautiful sights, completely isolated in the jungle. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, for sure. Just stopped at this small town called Dabong and everybody's getting off, so got a chance to stretch my legs and take a look at this beautiful train. Look at it, man. It's huge. So we're at the very beginning. That's my section right there. Wow, what a journey, guys. Just got dropped off at Wakaf Baru, the second last station. Before the last station, I decided to drop off here because I gotta catch a plane back to Kuala Lumpur. But man, this was an amazing adventure and I'm ready to get out of here, super hungry. So we're gonna grab some food. If you wanna experience something truly spectacular, this is the kind of adventure that I like and I highly recommend this to you guys. Yep, it's time to go back to Kuala Lumpur.